When we lived in Iowa, we had to worry about shoveling snow. And here, we have to worry about painting pool decks. You cannot pass.
That's okay, I'm not trying to pass. I was just looking at the color. And this stuff's all dry. It's drying, that's why you get the color.
You like the color okay?
Yeah. I'm just thinking
It's a little bit lighter.
It's hilarious because they don't even have the color.
Yeah, and the last can was lighter too. So, but since we're painting the whole deck, today was the day for redoing the water pump. We had to replace all of the gaskets. I was busy, so I couldn't do a tutorial on that. Yes, you can. So our pool went out without filtering for a week. It's pretty gnarly now. But we've got a new filter, new gaskets in the pump,
And a new watch.
and a new watch. So the pump connects here to the filter. This is a Hayward pump, Hayward super pump, 1.5 horsepower motor that's attached to it. And we had to remove every 2 years. We have to remove the. I'm sorry, I'm pointing at things and I'm not filming it. Okay, so the pump is right here, and we had to replace the seals that keep the water from going into the motor, because 2 times it's been ignored by the previous owners and by us. We didn't replace that seal, and it needs to be replaced every year. At least that's what we've been told. It has to be replaced every year. Otherwise the water goes into here and corrodes it and kills it. So we did that today, thanks to YouTube helping us to learn how to do that. Replaced the filter out of there. We ripped 15 bushes out of the back. Lifted all of these stones up. I didn't do it, my husband did it. But we ripped out 3 bushes out of there, 3 of these round bushes out of there. And we had a row of bushes, a solid row of these boxy bushes, whatever they are. But the problem was, we couldn't get into the hedges over there, and hornets build nests in those hedges. And these plants here make it so you have to, when you're trimming the hedges, you have to practically kiss those hedges to trim, and that puts you right up there with the hornets, and then they attack. So we took every other, if you see in between each of these bushes was a bush, and we took all of those out today. And then we took 3 out right here. So now everything looks symmetrical. And it highlights the oak tree. So I think we actually improved things and simplified our lives, because now we have a lot less trimming to do. And now the boys are painting the deck. It's going to be really nice. Really, really nice. It's probably about 89 degrees and 175% humidity today. Yeah, we're going to let the pump clean up all of the stuff that's been floating around for the past week while the pump's been down. And then we'll put the vacuum in. This is our vacuum right here. This is our Zodiac G3 is awesome. We got it for Father's Day. We named her Shelly. Our last pump was a robot, which we named Kevin after Kevin in Up, in the movie Up. And one of the neighbor kids sat on it and killed it. And it cost us $250 to replace it with Shelly. And a replacement for Kevin would have been $1,500, and Shelly works a lot better. So he's done, and we're going to lunch.
Well,
Signing off.